Steve Biko, when he teaches about black consciousness, he's not only talking about looking in the mirror and saying black is beautiful, because that is not enough, Bafit. We must understand that we are a collective and push for a black solidarity. Black hands in black hands. We must be willing to inconvenience ourselves. That extra 5 minutes walk to support a black business is important, Bafit. If umuntu athi akana saloon mara uyaqhina endlini yakhe, we must be willing ukuthi sihambe sendlini yakhe ayosiqhina khona endlini yakhe, yabo. Even though asikho forced, yabo, even though it's not imperative, but it's necessary, bafethu. It's crucial ukuthi sacrifice for the greater good of our collective identity. Yangithola? If black consciousness is about respecting each other and respecting each other's cultures, yangithola? If khona udaki who says iculture yakhe ithi akathengisi utshwayi after 6 maybe ebusuku, akumelanga sithathe lento sithi abantu abamnyama angeke basathengisele singasathengi kubo because after 6 abathengisa utshwayi then forever saphinde sithenge kubo, because it happens more often than not ukuthi sometimes you go to ama shops owned by ama Pakistan, for example, ubathole bathandaza and angeke bakunake bebathandaza, and you have the patience to wait baze baqede ukuthandaza, or you leave and you come back ubuthole baqede ukuthandaza, then after that khana uthenga, yangithola? And labantu laba sometimes bathengisa ukudla which has killed abantu, has unalived abantwana bethu, yangithola? Ukudla ama-chips, i-dogsit nani nani, mara ngeke ukuthi labantu laba bayasibulala angeke ngisaphinde ngithenge kubo, yangithola? However, if mina udaki ngithi my culture ithi angithengisi utswayi after 6, we will use the idea to criticize njalo, uhlezi ungicriticize because angithengisa utswayi after 6, mara labantu laba ababulala abantu awuba-criticize, yangithola? Which is hypocrisy, yangithola? In South Africa, we have about 8 or 9 kingdoms or nations or tribes, whatever you want to call them. And wonke lama cultures langa, we are different, yabo. Not wonke ama cultures uthi in my culture ngithengisa utshwaya after 6. If masithi that's a culture maybe yamaZulu, then go and buy from umuntu or from a culture yamaXhosa. Abantu angeke baze bathi after 6 mina ngithengisa utshwaya. Go and buy from amaTsonga, from amaVenda, from amaNdebele, yabo. Black rands must circulate in black hands. If Tina, a black South African, doesn't have that thing, buy from a black Mozambican, buy from a black Nigerian, buy from a black Namibian, buy from a black Zimbabwean. And so you must always ensure we are supporting black. Black hands must circulate in black hands. And we must not hold black people to a higher standard compared to laba abanye abantu, yabo. Ukuthi mina just because my culture says things utshwayi, now I'm always criticized. Mara laba ababulala abantu, you hardly ever criticize them. So black hands in black hands in black hands, yabo, and we must understand our collective identity, yabo. We are individuals in